Hi there, students. A fortiori. I'll come to the pronunciation of this one in a minute. Okay, this comes from Latin. A fortiori means for an even better reason, an even more important reason than the one that I've just given, for a still stronger reason, or all the more. So, for example, if you can afford to drive around in a car, a fortiori, you can afford a bicycle. Yeah, for a still stronger reason, all the more you can afford a bicycle. So, for similar but more convincing reasons, if you're feeling ill, if you're ill, then you can't go to the to the restaurant tomorrow. A fortiori, to play in a football match. So for a similar reason, but even more convincing, even more certainly, all the more for an even stronger reason. And this is the idea of this. If you're wrong, then a fortiori, so am I, for the same reason, and even more importantly, me too. Okay, if he demanded that this project be finished in one day, but this project couldn't have been finished in a week. A fortiori, finished in a day. If you couldn't finish it in a week, then it's even clearer that you couldn't finish it in a day. If the witness had been present at the scene of the crime, then a fortiori, the witness must have heard the shot. Okay, so being present, then it's clear that if he's present, he must have heard the shot. If he could see it, then he must have heard the shot. If a large country like the United States can't afford to do something like this, then a fortiori, the UK can't do it either, because we're not as big as them. Okay, so a fortiori, it's for the same reason, but even more important. So this is talking about an argument that is based on something that is even stronger, is an even better argument. So I give you the first argument, and the first argument is clearly true. A fortiori, I'm going to give you another argument based on this, which gives an even stronger reason why it is true. A fortiori. Okay, now let's get to the pronunciation of this one. I'm going to say a fortiori. I have heard a and a to start with, so a fortiori, a fortiori. The T bit in the middle, fort, I've also heard this fortiori. So a fortiori, a fortiori, a fortiori, a fortiori. And then the I at the end, I've heard fortiori, fortiori. So a fortiori, a fortiori, a fortiori. There are lots and lots of different ways. I'm just going to go for a fortiori. I think that to me it's the simplest. Okay, so a fortiori with even more reason, with an even stronger reason that it explains it even more. I can't run 10 a kilometer. So a fortiori, there is no way I'm going to be able to run 10 kilometers. Yeah, for an even stronger reason, I can't do something that is more. For a stronger reason, even more certainly. So I can't run a kilometer, so a fortiori, even more certainly, all the more, I can't run 10 kilometers. And this is the idea of a fortiori. Now, let's see, I think primarily this is a legal phrase. This is the sort of sentence, this is £100 sentence from a lawyer in court defending you. But you can use it in other circumstances. Let's see, a fortiori, I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. But it is a legal phrase. But use it in a semi-formal writing or something formal. In one of your writings, a fortiori might sound quite good, or in a formal conversation as well. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin a, from, and fortiori, from fortis, strong. So from a strong explanation to an even stronger one. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A fortiori.